What is up, guys, and welcome back to a new episode from Backyard Boys. If you guys are new to this channel, please lightly tap the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. If you guys want to support the channel, please cop yourself some merch. In this episode, we're gonna work on the beautiful 1M, and guys, I can't get over this color. This color is just amazing. Look at this thing. So in this episode, we're gonna get the windshield changed, which is right over here. Pretty bad. It's kind of annoying how everyone goes, "Hey Tim, why is the windshield cracked?" And I was like, dude, I just haven't had time to change it, man. It's gonna get changed, but look at that thing, dude. Look at that width of it. Insanity. But also, I got something here, which is gonna change the whole entire vehicle. Look at this thing. So I'll show you guys, like on a white background. Dude, this thing is so sick. When it came in, you got the 3-stripe stitching, the flat bottom, everything. When this thing came in, I was blown away. Like, personally, me, I don't like to recommend things that I wouldn't, or like talk about things that I wouldn't recommend to others, but this steering wheel right here, this is a one-stop shop. Like, this is the place where I'm gonna get my Lamborghini steering wheels. If I ever get a car, like, exotic car like that or anything, this is the place I'll go, because this quality is just insane. There's no imperfections on it. The carbon fiber is perfect everywhere, all the edges, everything tucks down so nice, bolts on, everything is perfect. So shout out to AZAAUTOWHEEL for this right here steering wheel. I'm going to go ahead and link all their stuff down in the description box down below. Go ahead, check them out if you guys need your steering wheels for anything. Another thing is that when you order a steering wheel from them, I didn't have to send in my old one, so I can still drive the car and then I get a steering wheel. So which is pretty cool, because a lot of times companies, they ask you to send in your old steering wheel and then they'll take like a month or however long to get it done, and that's, or maybe less, 2-3 weeks. But you guys get the point. You can't drive the car, your car is no steering wheel. This one, my steering wheel was there, I was driving it, got this puppy in the mail, and I am just blown away. Let's go install it. First things first is go ahead and take off the battery. You don't want no airbags blowing up in your face, so we're gonna do that and get right into work. Battery is now off. We got no power to the car, and I'm pretty sure I showed you guys initially when I was rebuilding this thing that there's holes right here, especially to pop this, to kind of just press that spring kind of bracket, whatever the thing that holds the airbag in. Go ahead and press those 2 points in, pull this out, and then unscrew the main nut that holds the steering wheel in. So let's get right into it. My goodness, I legit can't get enough with this steering wheel, dude. Look at this fatty, dude. It fits so nice. Everything is so perfect. Look at that carbon fiber. I'm telling you, I would not recommend anything to you guys that I wouldn't want for myself. With that being said, go get your steering wheels, boys. You guys will not regret this. Look at that hand, like, fitment. This side, look at that stitching. Can't wait to rip this thing. Now let's go ahead and put those side skirts on and make this thing look a couple inches wider than it already is. And then next week, actually, my rear diffuser and my trunk clip are supposed to come, so we're gonna pause the video for a couple of days and catch you guys installing the rear diffuser and the trunk clip. But for now, let's get that side skirt on. Minor interruption, I want to show you guys what a little side skirt addition can do to the car. Look how beastly that looks. Absolutely insane. And then here's the one side that doesn't have it. See how it kind of looks kind of naked and empty under there? See what I'm saying? So it's, the front is pretty low, and the midsection is kind of high. So that's what the diffuser comes in and gives it that planted look. And then with the diffuser, I noticed that you can now actually see the lines of the rocker panel, the quarter panel. You can see much more lines, as on this side it's not as aggressive. Just a little tip for you boys. Take notes, because this stuff works. Let's go turn the car on, put the other one on. Well, there you guys have it. The car does not look fully complete because it doesn't have the rear diffuser in carbon fiber, and nor does it have the front lip, but the side skirts already make the car look a whole ton better. And surprisingly, these side skirts fit very, very well. I've had different kind of problems with side skirts being too short, not fitting up to this body line, this and that, but this one fits flush all the way through, tightened it up, and it's super, super strong and sturdy on there. And look how beautifully wide that looks, dude. This is insanity. Look at that thing. All right, now we gotta wait till the rear trunk lip, things like that come. I'm not gonna make you guys wait, so we'll skip probably all the way to that, or skip to the part where we start cleaning the inside of the car. This guy. Dude, I got a rubber in my eyes. Yeah, I guess I'll just throw this into a random video, guys, so enjoy some donuts on the 1M. Here's that thing. It's actually Vince over there. He wrapped that BMW as well, and he wrapped his Porsche and my 1M, so we're just kind of doing a little fun collab, and this will actually be on that guy's video, most likely on Vince's Instagram, so check it out. It's all good, bro. That was sick. Man, this new windshield looks like brand new. Look at it, dude. It's so clear. Yeah, just wear goggles. Well, windshield is officially changed and it's looking beautiful. Now, let's get back to installing these carbon fiber parts. Look at that thing. Apologize for the bad wind noise, if there is any at all. It's because I'm filming off an iPhone right now and I forgot my camera. What? Yeah, that's that. What's up, dude? What's up, man? Don't know exactly where we left off last, but we are now teleported to the shop, and the reason for that is because this video was like 6 or 7 days because I had to wait for these carbon fiber pieces to come in, and they are finally here. So here's the first piece that we were waiting for, which is right here, the trunk clip, super subtle. I'll show you guys everything once everything is actually on the car. And then we have this rear diffuser here as well. So it looks extremely beautiful. Look at that thing. Yeah, it's so reflective. It's so sick. I'm pumped to put this thing on. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get these things on and continue with the video. I'm hoping we can get the hood wrapped in this video as well, if everything works out with United Tint and Customs. And that's probably going to be it for the carbon fiber pieces, because there is a front lip that I still want, and rear carbon fiber tips, exhaust tips. But my priorities are not there just yet, because that's like another $1,000, and I can use that $1,000 in other builds, which is standing right there in front of me, but it's gonna be revealed in a little bit, so stay tuned. All right, got the trunk clip on, and you guys probably saw me run back and forth about 100 times. And the reason for that is because since this trunk is wrapped, you're putting this on basically one time, or you're rewrapping the trunk. Because if you pull this back up, the wrap will peel. So I set myself little markers like where the lip ends right here, you know, where this kind of buds up here, here, and over here. And now it sits all perfect everywhere. So it's flush all along here, no gaps whatsoever, all the way through. Now let's continue putting on this diffuser. All right, before I put the bumper on, I'm gonna show you guys what I did. So with carbon fiber pieces, oftentimes you have corners like this that pop out, and I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about if you put on diffusers. So what I did, I kind of drilled a hole and put these little kind of like lock pins, that way it wouldn't come out. And here I pushed them further, so everything is secure. All I have to do now is go ahead and drill this last hole right there, put a clip in through the bottom over here, and put this bumper back on. All right, so we went ahead and put the rear diffuser on and the rear trunk clip over there, and this rear end literally just got fat. Like, it's huge now. Like when you're sitting in the back, I love this angle over here because you can kind of see both the quarter panels. I'm not sure if the camera can capture it, but you literally see both the quarter panels. See if I can get some kind of cool illusion here. Look at that. Look at this thing, dude. It's so fat. It is so fat. I said I'm gonna get the hood wrapped earlier in the video, but I contacted United Tint Customs and they're just booked out today, which makes sense. And it's not like their #1 priority, nor is it my #1 priority, because I don't even know if I want the hood wrapped. Dude, this is literally so hard. It's literally, oh, like, I'm gonna let you guys decide or choose. Once again, comment down below, what do you guys think about the hood now that we added more carbon fiber stuff onto the car? We have this over here, we got this down over here. Tips are gonna be coming pretty darn soon, but honestly right now my priority is a little bit different from aside this car, and you guys will see why here in a little bit. I'm guessing next Sunday's video. I have a front lip, things like that I want to order, but all those parts are expensive. I'm not a bank, nor am I a millionaire, so once I get a little bit of money, I'll order those parts. I still need to order a stage 3 clutch, and then I can throw in all my bolt-ons that I have for the car, and then I can order a lip, which is like $700. So if you know that someone has a lip, dude, comment down below. But besides that, we still need to powder coat the wheels black, or maybe some other color, I don't know. Comment down below. We are getting very close with this car to the finish point, and It's looking so good. Like in person, you guys literally have to see this. This is just, honestly, this is beautiful. But go to my Instagram if you guys want to see some beautiful pictures of this car. I do post a lot of sneak peeks on Instagram and on TikTok. As I kind of work on the car, I film it and I run out of patience and I just post it on Instagram or TikTok, you know, before YouTube, because I got to edit the video and stuff like that. So I'll go ahead and put my Instagram right over here. If you want any sneak peeks, go ahead and hit that up. Also, if you want to support the channel, do anything, that'll be very, very amazing. Copy yourself some merch in the link down below. But with that being said, appreciate you guys for all the love, all the support. Shout out to AZAAUTOWHEEL for that steering wheel. That thing is just beautiful. Shout out to Genuine for getting this windshield replaced. It is also beautiful. No more cracks, no more nothing. And that steering wheel is just so gorgeous. This, like, once you're sitting behind this, you know, right here, that's kind of the view you get. It's just so gorgeous. This carbon fiber, I am just out of words. This car literally blew my mind. I never knew a 1M can look so darn good. But this outro is already getting long, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.